just got easier with the introduction of the E-Tape 16. It solves a problem virtually everyone has, measuring mistakes, and it's actually educational and fun to use. The E-Tape 16 takes the human error out of measuring by giving you an accurate digital measurement every time, with the ability to recall your measurements at any time. As you lengthen the tape measure blade, you immediately see why E-Tape 16 is different and not your ordinary tape measure. It takes the guesswork out of measuring. With the large digital display, one can see and read the measurement clearly. With the touch of the inch-centimeter button, it allows you to read the measurement displayed in inches, feet, fractions, decimals, and even converts from standard to metric and back. Not only does it measure easily and accurately, but it has several other useful functions. When taking a measurement, you can use the standard blade lock or use the digital hold button. The large display makes your measurement easy to use and easy to remember and recall with the touch of a button. The inside-outside function allows you to measure to the front of the tape measure or to the back and calculates the extra width. No more needing to bend your blade when backed into a corner. When you need to hang a picture or find the center of a measurement, press this center line button and it will calculate it for you. Whenever someone sees the E-Tape digital tape measure for the first time, their initial reactions are, "That is cool! It makes total sense and I want one." Thus, the digital tape measure was born. Since its origin, the E-Tape has proven useful in a multitude of settings. The E-Tape 16 is a unique and durable tool that provides data in a more simple, reliable, and accurate way. For any job, whether at home or work, the rugged and durable E-Tape 16 digital tape measure will ensure your measurements are accurate every time. Here's to measuring once and cutting once. Until next time.
We all have a freezer at home, right? It's a household appliance that never gets a break, and we keep it running day and night. Why not use all that surplus energy to keep yourself cool? Geyser is an eco-friendly, ice-powered cooling system that uses a special cooling gel that has amazing running costs, just under 1 cent a day. Even the casing is eco-friendly. Geyser is made of good old high-grade insulating wood. This means that the ice pack defrosts at a snail's pace, lengthening the operation time greatly. It's ventilated all round, giving 360 degrees of cooling power. It's small too, which means it's portable and can be used wherever you need it. It's powered by a LiPo battery and can be charged via micro USB. Geyser has no on-off switches and only works if the two parts are connected. This makes it safer for children and pets. Damiano and Ferdinando are two young architects with a passion for 3D design and experimentation. This is the result of a lot of hard work on their part. They opened their firm 2 years ago and couldn't afford an air conditioner. That's when they came up with the idea of making a system which had lower running costs than an air conditioner and which worked better than a fan. The first plans were drawn on paper and then turned into 3D models. The first prototypes were made using a 3D printer. After an in-depth study regarding possible materials, wood was chosen for its outstanding insulation qualities. Then, the best components for long service life and performance were chosen. The cone-shaped ice pack acts as a diffuser, defrosting itself over a timescale of 5 hours. There's even an insert for an air freshener, just inserted into the base. To turn on Geyser's fan, just line up the 2 blue dots and pop the lid on. Geyser is available in natural wood finish or paint finish.
Always have style right in your wallet with GoComb. The GoComb easily fits in any credit card slot. So convenient, it'll be the last comb you'll ever own. 3 reasons why you'll love your GoComb. Its size. Incredibly thin and fits in any wallet or purse. You won't ever worry about leaving your comb at home. Its design. Made from durable stainless steel and finished with a super smooth coating. Your GoComb will never break and comes in styles to match your look. Its practicality. The GoComb works in all hair types, even burly beards. Some styles also double as a mirror or a bottle opener for ultimate functionality. Now you know why people love the GoComb. It's proven its worth with over 4.5 stars on Amazon. Join the thousands of happy customers to see why GoComb is a no-brainer for everyday style.
LifeStraw is an award-winning, ultra-light water filter designed to provide you a safe, clean drinking water at a moment's notice. Manufactured by Switzerland-based public health company Vestergaard, LifeStraw has won Time Magazine's Invention of the Year, Esquire Magazine's Innovation of the Year, and Saatchi & Saatchi's Award for world-changing ideas. Over 4 million LifeStraws have been distributed for humanitarian aid since 2005. LifeStraw uses advanced hollow fiber membrane technology, which contains no chemicals such as iodine and uses no batteries or moving parts. It filters to 0.2 microns, removing 99.99% of bacteria and 99.9% of protozoa. LifeStraw filters a minimum of 1,000 liters, which is 264 gallons. This is equivalent to a year of clean drinking water. LifeStraw works especially well in silty and muddy water, as the membranes filter out particulate matter. The flow rate is quite high. It's like drinking through a thick straw. The LifeStraw removes bacteria and protozoa, but will not remove chemicals, heavy metals, or viruses. That said, these contaminants are extremely rare in the backcountry of North America. To use LifeStraw, you can simply insert it into your water source, wait a few moments for the water to soak up the membranes, and then suck the water through. When you're done, simply backwash the membranes by blowing the water out. Keep the caps on if you're using it throughout the day, or leave them open to let it dry out.
Was the best input device. That was 2007. This is 2015. In 2015, we love our touchscreens. We take them everywhere we go, and why wouldn't we? They're light, they're powerful, and they're gorgeous. But they're not a perfect input device. To fully express ourselves, we need better precision and more space. This is free, and it takes you way beyond the screen. With Free, you can write or draw on nearly any surface, and your words or pictures will appear on your screen instantly. Free brings us back to a more direct interaction with the world around us, in part by freeing us to use one of our most personal skills, handwriting. Free's sophisticated optical tracking engine can trace anyone's handwriting on nearly any surface to an incredible level of accuracy. There has never been anything like it.
Give us a minute, Mitch.
Our OTM sensor includes a miniature laser, which sends a collimated beam to the surface. Reflections from the surface combine with internal reflections to give us some motion signals.
In fact, we invented the world's smallest three-dimensional laser interferometer.
That is truly amazing. But let me take it from here. Free is all about minimizing whatever stands in the way of your creative energy. It's got a mini touch display for notifications, lets you reply instantly, and even doubles as a headset to take phone calls.
Hi, Michael.
Write yourself a note the second you think of it. Jot down a phone number or doodle your next brainchild. Your thoughts and ideas are captured instantly on your device. Free lets you use all of your screen, turning your mobile phone into an incredibly comfortable and efficient mobile creative station. And best of all, Free is personal. So personal, it can even use your handwriting as a highly sophisticated form of biometric identification, making it much harder for someone to steal your identity. It's quick, it's convenient, it's familiar and personal.
Conveniently mounting your tablet or smartphone virtually anywhere. With the Magic Mount system, you'll always have a perfect spot for your device. Just hover your phone over the magnetic surface and it locks into place instantly. Its sleek cradle-free design uses high-power magnets to keep your device secure, and they're completely safe to use with any smartphone or tablet. Perfect for hands-free phone calls while on the road. Great for using your smartphone as a GPS. Place your device at any angle for convenient viewing. On the road, in the office, at home, everywhere. Magic Mount.
Makes shoes. Okay, but how does it work? Connect the skin to the sole and zip them together. First, you can customize it. Choose the sole, the urban, the running, and the drive. Then choose the skin. Corsa, the running. Duilio, the wingtip. Mocassino, the slip-on. And Stringa, the lace-up. Have fun and create your shoes. Make it casual, make it sporty, or make it classy. Second, save space, especially when you're traveling. No more jumping on your luggage trying to fit your extra shoe in. Wear a pair and carry your skins flat in your skin pack to fit easily in any bag, saving you a lot of space and a lot of weight. Perfect for the backpackers. Are you tired after a long day of walking? Take out your slip-on mocassino skins, zip them on, and relax. For your leisure travels, make it a sporty chic combination with a running sole and a lace-up skin. Or comfy and classy with a drive sole and a slip-on skin. Or with a Duilio skin, you'll look sharper than ever. For your daily adventures, after a day in the office, take out the Corsa skins, zip them on, and start your running session. And if you're biking home at night, zip on reflective skins, glowing in the dark for a much safer trip. Third, construction details. Shoes are designed and made in Italy with exactly the same quality of the best Italian dress shoes, using top-of-the-line materials from across the world, such as waterproof AquaGuard zippers from YKK Japan, patented anti-shock and ergonomic foam insoles, inseamed foot zip protection, super flexible and durable soles, best Italian leathers, and bio-cottons. Fourth advantage is your money saving. Once you got your first sole, start creating shoes, buying skins at half the price of a whole shoe.
Bringing it to you. It's been a long road with a lot of prototypes, but we think you're going to love it. When designing Fidget Cube, we wanted to ensure two things. First, the functionality needed to truly satisfy fidgeting needs. It needed to be an entire toolbox of fidgety options while staying small and compact. Which leads us to our second and equally important priority. We wanted Fidget Cube to be a premium desk toy that could be discreetly used in any situation, from a classroom to a boardroom. The Fidget Cube, of course, has 6 sides,